When it comes to your equipment, you want to run it your way. Because after nearly 200 years working together, one thing's clear. Nobody knows your work like you do. You know the inside of your cab better than anyone. You know what it takes to push through harvest, to move earth, to carry the torch of multiple generations. You know how important it is to make every hour count. Whether it's managing your farm, caring for your land, or tackling that weekend project.
First ride in the new combine.
That's why we're expanding our digital toolkit to help keep your operation running smoothly, with more access to use, maintain, diagnose, repair, and protect your own equipment. Because the best solution is the one that's available when you need it. Whether it's your dealer, a local service center, or you. Ownership is about more than just having the keys. It's about having the tools to get the most out of your machine, so you can run it your way.